Hello mga guys, mayong utto. For today's videos, attend ta sa graduation sa kuang mga anak mga guys. Muna siya si Apple, ang usang anak nako si Jisame daran. Agi og kasapot kay langay-langayan kay ilang amahan. Asa ilang amahan to na nakichika. Nakichika pa mga guys. So, paabot ta karon mga guys sa atong pagsulod sa gym. Naglinya pa ang mga bata, gibuwat sa init. Ako ipakita ninyo mga kahigalaan kung asa mi dapit naka-posting. Igat-igat sa ko karon mga guys ha, dili sa ko mo duty for today. Ibang mga bata, to adito, nagayahin na sila glinya. Dating inita, gibuwat sila sa init. Ako, gasa sa kumubuwat. Madawtang akong beauty. Ano ba na diri nagpasilong. Pasilong, para si Jisame, siguro ning galakaw. Dara akong apple pie. Kinawitan ni, di mi mabalaka. Mawahi sa linya kay kinawitan ni. Imagine nga mga apelyido, letter V, victory. Mo nang awahimi. Kamo nga mga letter A, B, C nga to sa the rest hala pangita asa ang inyong linya. Kaya hay sa mitini mga guys. To ara buwat mo din na sa init kay kamo may maguna. Kami diri nga awahi kay ang mga apelyido, awahi mi. Reaction ako kagutom mga guys. Usa gani oras sa mahuma. Dini na lang ko kutob mga guys. Bye bye lollipop. See you sa akong pagbalik.
Manas la kuya ma.
For TBL, domestic refrigeration and air conditioning, NC2. 8 candidates for TBL, electrical installation and maintenance, NC2. 26 candidates for TBL, shielded metal arc welding, NC2. And lastly, 17 candidates for the academic strand, humanities and social sciences. I certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for the senior high school curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education and therefore eligible for graduation.
By virtue of the authority delegated to me by the school's division superintendent of Corcoy City Division Office, Dr. Artisa Miano Perico, based on the facts and figures presented by the school principal, and on the assurance that you have satisfactorily the basic requirements of senior high school K-12 curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. I, Dr. Mary Jane Hadarino Buao, Chief Education Supervisor of Curriculum Implementation Division, do hereby approve and confirm.
Apple Balega.
Cantuaco Heart A.
Kinatapusan numero. Kinatapusan numero.
Jamaica A.
Kinatapusang numero. Dakog lakang.
Omblero Marslin May.
Kinatapusang lakang. Paila mong mayor ha?
Valuena Apple B.
Congratulations, graduates. As you step higher to achieve your goals and pursue success, your diploma reminds you that there is still a lot of things to explore, learn, and accomplish after this graduate.
The challenge to greatness through greatness is that it
Apel ko eh. Apel ko. I'm the mama.
believe you can achieve and succeed.
Isaac lakaw pa. Isaac lakaw pa.
Students excel in their academic journey will earn the fruitful result today. This time, let us now
Okay. Congratulations.
our reserve graduates as they excel in their academic endeavors.
We request once again Dr. Nasser Ovales, our school president, Attorney Vivian Catherine
Balik sa
Casasanti
uno.
Velez, our school vice president, Dr. Eugene S. Uniform, our school principal, to hand in the medals to our graduates to be assisted by Mr. Ethan Leguha and Ms. Christina Gabriela.
Liguman na mo dire. Eh, susok ko.
Gutierrez John Michael C. Lead Honors. He is also a Leadership Awardee, Service Awardee, Deportment Awardee, and he is also the best in math.
Ponsika John Ray A. with honors. He is also a service, deportment, and performing arts awardee.
Valeria Jessamine B. Lead Honors. She is also a Prize Center and Service Awardee.
Naagad sa kapaka.
Alvar Hans Walter R. with honors. And he is also a service and leadership awardee.
Sa Chief, Department of Education, sa City Division, Dr. Benita Mary Wow, Professor sa Pagpapag. Si Dr. Nani Wilson, School District Supervisor, Professor sa Pagpapag. Honorable May Ako, City Councilor. Pagkakaroon siya, kawasan na dinuhin ang congratulation sa napunayon ang atuang school president. Kami bisi ngayon sa Kusyudas Kaka. So, kailan ko amigo kay Utang Mene, Kapilos Parking. Dr. Mr. Perez, kailangan sa Pagpapag. Vice President, Attorney Vivian Perez, kailangan sa Pagpapag. Sa school principal, Dr. Eugene Lino, Attorney and staff alliance, Dr. School, sa Prince Perez, Mayong hapon, congratulations sa inyong tanan. Sa lahat sa Kusyudas Kaka, salamat po kayo na advance technical school na upang tatagdag sa inyo tayo. Berhan tayo, kami na Kaya tayo ang ito tayo ang pagbuwa sa bas kay lagi mo tayo ang sumunod na
These students were once your students before. So let's have a picture, cheers. Double tap, you see.
Tanaoy! Shall we go?
Once again, congratulations on your graduation and good luck on your future endeavors.
Dearest graduates, your trail has been set forward.
Stay away, read the life you dream.
From here, we prove the courage.
Have the spirit of BPSI student. Wherever you go,
Whatever you do,
and whatever you ask for use.
be recognized.
And make a difference.
It has been a very meaningful celebration with you.
Graduates, congratulations.
You would like to request number one?